Guys, it's me, Emily, and this is my sister, Bailey. Hi. We're taking care of a bird, but Mom doesn't know because she's still in the grocery store. Yeah. Come on, why don't you eat your food, Angela? Oh, that's Angela. We name her Angela in case you know. Yeah. Come on, let's do this. This is so fun. Cook that cookie. Girls, I'm home. Where are you, little sneaks? Oh, there you are. I lost you two. Is that Angela, my long-lost bird? You name her Angela too? Yeah. We just named Fly the Feather. It's still over here. I named her Angela. Thank you. Huh. Oh. And you better do that things out next Saturday, okay? Okay. You have a tea party with Ellie. So I'm gonna take Angela to her new home. Where? Here, silly. Did you feed her butterscotch cream? I feed it. Oh, she loves butterscotch cream. Now, bye guys. See you in my next video. Tell if Ellie and Bailey were good taking care of Angela or not. Because I have a stressed spider in there. So, bye guys. See you in my next video.